up, sunshines? It's Chevanie, aka SimplyChevy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And so today I'm super excited because I am trying out the Glossier's products. If this is your first time hearing about Glossier, pretty much they're like a company that makes like makeup products, skincare products, and so their makeup products are supposed to look natural, like not like you have a beat face. And just a disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I've just always did I break my nail? Okay, good. Just a disclaimer, yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I just always want to try their products out. You know, I see them everywhere. Skin tints are pretty good if you don't want to like walk around with a beat face every day. Let me stop rambling and let me actually get into the video. First, let me just start off with talking about the delivery process. Delivery was good. It did not take that long for anything to get delivered. One thing I wish I knew before making my delivery is that I wish that I actually like tried or knew about the store pickup. And so pretty much I live in New York City, and so they have a store pickup on Lafayette in New York, and I could have just went there because one, I actually don't send products to my own house. I always end up missing packages, and so it's just a hassle like just going all the way to UPS just to pick it up, etc, etc. So I thought it was pretty cool that they had the store pickup. And on top of that, the store pickup, the best thing about it is that it's one day. So as soon as you make your order, it goes straight there, takes one day, or technically less than one day, just like a few hours. So like, for example, I did the store pickup at night, and then I was able to get the product at like maybe 2 something, and they send you an email when your product is at the store pickup. So yeah, so that was pretty cool. I wish I knew that. And on top of that, you get to save money instead of spending like $5 on delivery. But let me actually get into the review part, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and comment down below if you guys like this product or if you guys tried it out before. Other products come in like packaging like this. I have a box, and then this is the one from the store pickup. It just comes in this cute little bag. In the box, it looks like this, and it just comes with some cute stickers. It just says, "Hi, finally we meet. It's really nice here." Aw, this is so cute. I think the whole packaging is cute. More stickers. The milk jelly cleanser, and I have another priming moisturizer. I'm gonna start off with the priming moisturizer, and the reason why I did not buy the priming moisturizer is because I felt like it cost so much for a priming moisturizer that I had a feeling it was probably gonna be like really small, and so I'm just like, I also don't want to just buy it if I know that I can probably use a product that's similar to it. So that's why I just decided to try the samples and see how I like the samples. So this is the consistency of the priming moisturizer. I don't really think the priming moisturizer has like a scent. It feels really nice on my skin though. It feels really moisturizing so far. You don't really need too much to prime your face. This is my face after using the primer. My face feels really soft. I would say I like this primer, but I feel like you can probably find like another primer that has more product in it that's also like the same consistency. So now I'm about to use skin tint, and guys, look at this. This is so small. So the color I got in the skin tint is the color dark. Oh my god. So it felt like I was literally putting oil on my face, so I don't know if I should apply some more of this or if I should just leave it like this. I'm gonna apply some more because I don't think I had like a full coverage. But let me just show you guys a close-up of my face right now. I feel like I look like I just applied some coconut oil on my face. Literally. It's not a bad thing though. But I'm gonna apply a little bit up here. And this time, you know what? I'm just gonna tap it in because maybe that's why. So I changed my mind, guys. I'm just gonna use a quick brush and try it under my eyes to see, just to see how it looks, how it feels. So yeah, I have this little brush. This brush is from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna use it under my eyes. So this is my face without the concealer, and this is the side with the concealer. One thing I will say is that the consistency of the concealer is actually pretty good. And of course it definitely has more coverage than the skin tint. So I'm just gonna apply it to like the parts where I have spots on my face. I actually forgot to use one product, which is Boy Brow. Okay guys, dun 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 dun! Ooh, okay, so you could actually like tell the difference. So this is my eyebrow with the Boy Brow, and this is my eyebrow without it. I actually really like it. It feels like I'm putting mascara on my eyebrows, literally. It feels cool though. Actually, I like Boy Brow. I would actually buy this again. And so now I'm about to do the next side. I'm just about to finish the rest of my eyebrows. So now I'm just about to conceal the rest of my face. So now I'm about to add a little bit of warmth to my face, and I'm about to use the color Deep. Now y'all, I feel like I really look like I dipped in shea butter and coconut oil and cocoa butter like so much. That is crazy. But yeah, so right now I'm about to use Haze Cloud Paint. I'm about to use Cloud Paint in the color Haze, and I feel like all the products look like sample sizes, literally. I'm about to take a dime size. Oh, I lied. It's not really a dime anymore. And I'm just about to tap it on. this feels like a lot, but I'm gonna work out with this. Hopefully this just blends in. Oh my god, guys, this is a lot. Damn, guys, I can't even put the product back in. Wow, that is a lot. Okay. I guess I need a conceal and contour again, guys. I'm gonna just use a random brush and I'm gonna try to blend it in. I guess I'm scaring children off today, guys. Look. I look like a clown. This is crazy. Okay. My cheeks are rosy. I mean, that one's getting better because I'm using this brush. I'm gonna show you guys my face real quick. Yeah, so I'm about to go back in with the concealer because it got like all under my eye. I got the Wilder powder in the color Dark Deep. It's like a net on it. I can't really show you guys anymore because all the powder just like exploded in it while I was taking off the plastic. But anyway, so I'm about to take a little bit of powder and just put it all over my face. This is how the powder looks on this side, and this is without the powder. I actually used this a couple of times, and the reason why is because I saw a lot of reviews and people were saying that the matte lipstick is really dry, and so I was just curious about trying it, and I wanted to see how I liked it because I got this instead of getting the lip gloss, which was $14, and I was like, hell no, not about to pay no $14 for the lip gloss. It was drying. For other people, it was probably because they didn't moisturize their lips before using it, but I don't know, not my lips, but I think that's the reason why, because they weren't really moisturizing it. Because even when I just put it on right now, and I'm not gonna say my lips are super moisturized, but they were pretty moisturized before me putting this on, and this is how it looks. So this is how the matte lipstick looks crushed, and I really like this color. It looks like I just have naturally pink lips. My overall review, and if I had to rate this brand, I would honestly give it, an 8 for the quality of it. And I mean, I might as well for this review show you guys how I like the perfume. So I'm about to spray it. I like the perfume, guys. This is so good. I wish you guys can smell this. This smells like fresh air. I don't even know how to explain this. Like a fresh air put into a perfume. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and comment down below if you guys tried this product before, or if you guys seen reviews, first time hearing it. And if you guys want me to do more product reviews, comment down below and thumbs up this video, or even makeup looks. I'll definitely do that. Anything like that, just comment. And thank you guys so much for watching. Kisses. See you guys later. Bye.